Hey, you.
Hey.
What
There you
up,
go.
Internet? How's your day? We're going to Japan.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
We're going with our friend Harith.
Hi.
It says Gab beside you. It's almost my name. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
It's all happening. It's all happening so fast, you know?
Yeah, it's the first flight where I haven't felt like I've waited in line a million years.
Yeah.
Like I had a beer, went to the bathroom, and then I felt like I was late to rush through.
Yep.
Easy,
Here we go.
Easy.
So excited.
Doesn't get better than this.
Direct flight. We're sadly not sitting together, but that doesn't really matter, I don't think. We're kind of together.
The cabin personnel prepare for departure. I'll ask you to cross-check. As well, we'll post it to you, but
Where did Harith go?
Listen, I had Zero saying he's got bags to collect.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
boy.
Let's go find Harith. I don't know where he went.
Yeah.
He's been out here for hours probably. Got your trusty little Sleeka card. Yeah, I'm gonna take the monorail, right? I'm gonna try to at least. I don't know why I've got a sticker on mine that says Japan, as if I could ever forget this is actually for Japan.
Almost there.
It's my favorite thing. Tiny little shrines. There's a Nari. There's a Nari.
Yeah.
On a quest. What's the quest?
Yeah.
Quest.
Snacks and drinks, I suppose.
Yeah. Project Get Holly food before she goes crazy. Right? Oh, it's a family mart. Tell me you don't want to devour his tiny little cute face. What you gonna get? Big salmon. It's called big.
The roe looks fun as well. No, you don't
Yeah.
like roe. That's bad, though.
This is just bonito flakes. That looks good. Yeah. And this is edamame and rice and barley. And salt and kelp. Snack time. Been dreaming of this moment for a while, eh?
It's the simple things.
Plain salted rice onigiri. And grapefruit strong zero. Although this one's not strong. It's actually pretty weak, which I'm happy about because I don't really want to drink 9% alcohol. Excellent. High five. We just had some tasty snacks and some beverages, and Harith went to sleep in his little capsule.
Yeah, pretty low key, but it kind of has to be when you spend a bazillion hours in
Yeah.
airplanes and lines and airports. And
But we're
all
in
that
Japan.
yeah, that's the exciting thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure the majority of this vlog will kick off once it's bright and early
Yeah,
and we're
for
doing
sure.
some stuff.
We're gonna go on a little bit of an adventure though, find some more food maybe have a beverage, we'll see.
I definitely will.
Maybe go to bed. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Nagoya. So yeah, we'll take you though with whatever we end up doing in the next little bit. Who knows what that is. Woo. Dark, quick camera shots.
What?
Dark, quick camera shots.
Yeah. We're still seeing how late we can stay up.
At least till 9. Let's make it to 9. Yeah, so we found a little park.
Grapefruity.
Yeah, beverage
drinks.
with real fruit.
Amazing.
Sugoi.
It's crazy that we don't have an equivalent to this in Canada. They
No,
really
they
are
don't.
so good.
Yeah. I'm not even sure what kind of alcohol is in this, but it's delicious. Flavorless.
Yeah.
But the ones at home are like all soda water and nasty. But let's not go on a giant tangent about that. It's a lovely night. It's nice and warm. It's like 23 degrees and sitting outside and it's just delightful.
Yeah.
And we found this little park. Yeah. It's fun.
Perfect.
Just have a nice warm shower in this place and gonna head out to a quad and go to sleep. Felt like I needed to film the new shower experience that softly envelops you in an accompanying pillar of warm water, gently warming and refreshing the body. Enjoy a relaxing experience if you were soaking in a warm bath. Yeah, so yeah. Good morning. One of the worst headaches of my life. I'm gonna go see if I can find something to drink with my painkiller. We'll see. Good morning, friend. Morning. I'm gonna go down to the 7-Eleven, I think, and see if they've got plain rice balls, because, yeah, I don't think I'd stomach anything else. We're exchanging our passes.
Yeah.
Which I guess I should get out of my bag so that I can actually... Hey! It's probably a good spot to take it out of my backpack.
Not really in anyone's way at the moment.
Konnichiwa, what's up? I'm only gonna say that once. I stole that from a TikToker who is a Japanese lady, so I won't ever say that again. Just said it once, and if it makes it into the video, that's fine.
And then I'm gonna cut it and put it in every video
Nice.
after. Yes.
It'll be like a soundbite. Konnichiwa, what's up? Konnichiwa, what's up? Konnichiwa, what's up?
That'll be my ringtone.
You just said it 10 more times.
We're gonna get our passes passed so we can find the place.
Yeah.
I think it's right here.
That was easy.
Here.
Here we go.
A few moments later.
Great success. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got our passes. Got our tickets to Nagoya.
Yeah.
The adventure begins.
Now go.
Yeah.
So we got tickets on the Hikari to Nagoya. We're just getting ourselves some foods to eat. Can I see your loot?
Yeah. Cards, what? Here. Sample.
Yeah. Should be a good time. Yeah.
There might be a yeah.
See if we can find a non-meat bento.
電車は途中品川、新横浜、名古
So
屋、
is it time to sing my favorite song?
新大阪、
Is it?
新
Getting
神
on the
戸、
cat
岡
train.
山、
I assumed you meant your Yamanote song, which
Oh,
wouldn't be
no.
appropriate in this
No, no.
situation at all.
I guess I have a lot of songs.
Yeah. Excited?
We're the next train.
電車は
Oh, okay.
折り返し
639 bound for Shin Osaka.
an old-timey train. Yeah.